Hello guys, I welcome you all to another edition of my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be talking about MEP engineering, the past, the present and the future, particularly for recent graduates or anyone that intends to trudge the MEP engineering space. As well known, MEP engineering involves two things. The first part is the software skills, and the second one is the technical skills, which I often call the technical experience, but I prefer to call it the empirical experience. But in a nutshell, what it implies is the practical knowledge of what we are doing in the MEP space. So generally, MEP engineering is mechanical, electrical and plumbing, but the industry is very wide and is a branch of infrastructural engineering. So to proceed, the software skills. In the past, everybody is used to AutoCAD. AutoCAD has always been the major software people use. The main reason of this my channel before was that I was teaching the normal AutoCAD. I was using the normal AutoCAD and I was deploying it for MEP engineering. So most of my videos in this channel was more about the normal AutoCAD, which is the simplest thing you can learn in the industry, and we try to deploy it for doing MEP design projects. So the approach was legendary based. For recent graduates, I often advise that this is the easiest thing you can learn, and with it you'll be able to deliver good and sufficient project. That was what I used during my early days in the industry, 2015, 2016, 2017. So after then, you need to proceed to the AutoCAD MEP software, AutoCAD MEP. So there is a version of Autodesk called AutoCAD MEP. So it's different from the normal AutoCAD LT. So it's entirely different. It's AutoCAD MEP. It's a little complex, but in as much you have your little technical background, technical experience, and you are very good in using the normal AutoCAD, you'll be able to design with the AutoCAD MEP. It is often used by big firms, companies that are involved in heavy engineering, big projects. So that's another step. So recently there is a development in the industry into BIM. So BIM means building information modeling. So and the first software you'll be coming across is Revit. So Revit MEP. So Revit MEP is totally a 3D software, and hopefully in the nearest future, when I have more time, because I'm still trying to get my feet in the new industry I'm working, I'll be doing much more video on Revit. And after the Revit MEP is you can trudge two ways. So you can go through the Navis work, which is I used to call it 3D plus. I used to call it 3D plus. But eventually, you still have to learn this if probably you are working in a very big company, like a very successful company. So you need to learn the new software you need to learn. It's not really a software, but it's a series of softwares. So that's where infrastructural engineering ends at the moment. So Bentley software. The common one you'll be learning is MicroStation, but they have other series of products. So in a nutshell, my advice is start from AutoCAD, proceed to AutoCAD MEP, And if fortunately or possibly because of migration, especially people in Africa, so you can learn Revit MEP after. And finally, in as much you know you are very good in Revit MEP, I would advise start this Bentley, MicroStation, etc. Start the race. That would give you a lot of leverages in applying for jobs. I wish you best of luck, and hopefully tomorrow I'll be talking more about the technical skills and what is required, what they are asking for in the industry, etc. Have a nice day.